Kicking things off, unleash your inner designer with the Peel and Stick Wallpaper by Roommates. Transform dull walls into a vintage wood plank paradise effortlessly. Simply cut, peel, and stick for a fresh vibe. Perfect for renters, peel off without residue. Next, say goodbye to messy cords with the Cable Management Box Set. Tame wild wires and create a sleek, child-safe oasis. 2 elegant wood print lids hide chaos, making your office look pristine while ensuring safety. A clutter-free desk is just a box away. Midway through, light up your life with the LED desk lamp with USB charging port. This eye-caring stepless dim lamp ensures cozy, glare-free work sessions. The flexible gooseneck lets you cast light wherever needed. Charge your gadgets while staying in the zone. The next highlight is the Ergonomic footrest. Under your desk, elevate comfort with plush memory foam that supports your posture and soothes tired feet. Flip for a gentle rock. It's perfect for long hours at the desk or gaming. A must-have relaxation tool. Finally, absorb those echoes with the Acoustic Foam Panels 12-pack, create a serene sound sanctuary, and elevate your audio game. These non-toxic panels make noise vanish while adding style to your space. Perfect for studios or home offices. Hear the silence. All links are in the description. Tap like to save this list.